10 things keeping you poor that rich people never do. Have you ever wondered why some people stay poor no matter how hard they work, while others seem to build wealth effortlessly? The truth is, it's not just about how much money you make, it's about the habits you follow. If you're making these 10 financial mistakes, you might be keeping yourself broke without even realizing it. Stick around, because number 7 is a game changer. The misconception. Most people believe that working harder is the key to getting rich. But the truth? The wealthy don't just work hard, they work smart. They avoid common money traps that keep most people struggling paycheck to paycheck. Let's break them down one by one. The 10 mistakes keeping you poor. 1. Spending more than you earn. Living paycheck to paycheck is a cycle that keeps you stuck. If you're constantly spending every dollar you make, you'll never build wealth. Rich people budget and always spend less than they earn. 2. Not investing early. Every day you delay investing, you're losing out on potential wealth. The rich take advantage of compound interest by investing early and consistently, whether in stocks, real estate, or businesses. 3. Relying on one income source. The wealthy understand that a single paycheck is risky. They create multiple streams of income, side hustles, investments, and passive income, so they're never fully dependent on one source. 4. Buying depreciating assets. Luxury cars, the latest gadgets, and trendy clothes? They lose value the second you buy them. Instead, rich people focus on acquiring assets that appreciate over time. 5. Ignoring financial education. Knowledge is power. The rich constantly educate themselves about money, reading books, attending seminars, and learning investment strategies. Meanwhile, the poor often ignore financial literacy altogether. 6. Not budgeting or tracking expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? Rich people track every dollar and create a budget to ensure they're in control of their finances. 7. Avoiding calculated risks. Fear of failure keeps many people from taking risks. But the rich know that calculated risks, like starting a business or investing, are necessary for financial growth. 8. Not negotiating salaries and deals. Most people accept the first salary or price they're given. But the wealthy always negotiate, whether it's their paycheck, a business deal, or even rent. You'd be surprised how much you can save just by asking. 9. Bad debt habits. Credit card debt, high-interest loans, and impulse purchases? These keep you trapped in a cycle of paying off debt rather than building wealth. Rich people use debt strategically to invest and grow, not to splurge. 10. No clear financial goals. Without a roadmap, you'll never reach your destination. The wealthy set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. If you don't know where you're going, you'll stay stuck where you are. Conclusion. Here's the bottom line: staying poor isn't just about how much money you make, it's about the financial habits you follow. Start changing these 10 mistakes today, and you'll be on your way to a wealthier future. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial wisdom. See you in the next one.